Hey guys, home and just trying to fix my car right now because the thing is, yesterday I was traveling to Macas, which is just around the block, and yeah, I found out that my car doesn't have a headlight. So I noticed days before that the headlight's not functioning well. Like you need to flick it. So I went thorough research online. I went online, looked for schematics, diagrams, which. And just so happened this vintage 2002 RAV4. I have my headlights on because headlamps on because I'm working. This vintage 2002 RAV4 does not have a relay for the headlights. So what happened was, I'm just trying to get this up here. I'm going to show you. You need to remove that thing there. Okay. You need to open that shit, and I need to remove this. I need to replace this thing here, this lever, and yeah, I got it for 110. I forgot. So I got it for some 100 something, and yeah, I'm replacing it now, and I have headlights. The problem now is my high beam is not working. My high beam indicator is not working, so I have to check it. But it's a good thing I didn't have to bring this car to the shop because this is vintage car, and you can see all the war wounds around it. Yeah. So if I'm gonna bring this to the shop, they're gonna say you need to change the panels, you need to change this, and you need to change that. But yeah, this car here is vintage. What happened to my hair now? Oh, it's the lights. Yeah, this car is vintage, so gotta replace it. Gotta finish doing this now. Okay. Yeah, gotta finish it. Here it is. So that's the new thing. Focus, my friend. That's the new thing, and that's the old thing. Let's replace it now. So how you replace this thing is that you see this button here, you gotta press it, and it's somewhere there. You're gonna press it and pull this out. So the whole thing's gonna be pulled out. Just be careful, because that part there's the airbag, and if the airbag deploys, it's gonna go over your face. That's gonna be bad. Anyway, let's do it now. So here it is. After I press this part here, just pull it out. So just press this part here. It's not focusing, fuck it. But anyway, yeah, just how you do it, and then it pulls out. This is the new one, this is the old one. I'm gonna check the old one now. Here's the new one, let's put it in. After sliding that back in, all you have to do is get this ones here and plug it in. And there you go. So there you go. Okay, I just found out I could have serviced this thing, because when I look at this, I open this part here, and those are the contacts. If you turn this, it's hard to do it with one hand, but look. Okay, so this one here, this is the control. I open the cover there, and as you can see, come on. So as you can see, this part here could be the one for the headlights, and it's burned. You cover it, it's burned. Could have cleaned this part here, and this would have been fine. Oh well, already purchased it. Okay, finally done with that. Let me just fix my shit. Okay, just finished fixing the car now, so I'll be fine for the next few days. The thing is, the high beam, the blue button, whenever you flick the light on high beam, is not working. So that'll be on another day, because I'm tired, I'm stressed out. I'm just gonna take a break and rest. Anyway, yesterday it was so rainy, but the rain was carrying out all these red sand. And let me see, so you can see the outside of our house. It's like orange or red, but yeah. So the rain was carrying all those things, all those sand. And this morning when I tried to flush the toilet, it went brown or like orange. So I reckon it was also carrying that. Damn. Anyway, I need to close the door because dust are coming in. And I'm gonna turn on the aircon. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a break now. I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna go to sleep. And yeah, regain my energy. My hair really is crap. I need to go to JM to get a haircut as soon as possible. Oh, check out. I'm gonna fix the camera again. Well, if you look at outside, okay, there's the clouds. It's gonna rain, and there's the sunset and everything else. So it's gonna be heavy rain later. But I'm just gonna take a nap. Okay, bye.